Attention all jockeys! Attention all jockeys! Prepare your mounts for the steeplechase, which starts in 10 minutes.
This race is in the bag, folks. You better buy a fistful of tickets on Lightning. I'm telling you, you can't lose. Do not disturb. Lightning, quit horsing around. Get up. We got a race to win. Come on, Lightning. Get on your feet. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Come on, you bank-tailed baboon! If we lose this race, you'll be a drag and a hack! It starts in 10 minutes! Gonna run in that race if I have to drag you around the track. Come on! Starting.
Get a good grip on your stubs, folks, cause the horses are now at the starting gate. But Lightning hasn't put in his appearance as yet. They're all set for the starting signal, and it looks like they're going to go off without Lightning. They're off! And here comes Lightning. Auctioneer makes an early bid for the lead. Yardstick a length behind. Saver is tied by a whisker. Cue ball is in a pocket.
So loud!
And now Lightning is starting to close the gap as he tears up the train. There they are, running neck and neck. What a race, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be close. And now there's Lightning on the far train, hugging the rail.
Please, Lightning, please. We just gotta win this race.
And as the horses approach the final hurdle, they show their heels to Lightning. seconds now, folks, at the near finish line. And it looks like Lightning is out of the race.
Lightning! Lightning!
What's happened to Lightning? It's going like a blue streak.